Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use camera modes of Snapchat to take better or awesome snaps. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our Snapchat app first. And after you have landed on this page, you need to know some things. I will be today showing you all the camera modes and what it does and explain it to you, but I will not be making every particular videos for every effects because it takes a lot of time, but I will show you how to use it. Now you can see the plus icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that all these options will be available for you. Since we are only using camera modes, let's go with the focus mode first. So tap on there. When you tap on the focus mode, it will find a face or move closer, so it will be more easier to capture the face only. So this is what focus mode does. And after that, it will focus a particular subject and highlight it. So let's disable it. And after that, you can see the timer option over here. You can the timer on if you like, and you can select how much do you want to put your timer. Just tap on the timer, and the icon you can see up here, the timer icon is appeared just above the plus icon. Just tap there. From here you can select the time for the countdown timer, and this is the timer, guys. And after that, let's again tap the plus button. And after that, you can see the grid options as well. If you tap there, your camera will be like this, gridded, because in this mode you can proportionate the right amount of pictures in your screen, and grid also helps it with aligning a snap with grid lines. So, and after that, after the grid, you can see the multi snap. You can take more than one snap on this effect like this, and you can see there are 2 or 3 snaps being taken. And after that, you can let's disable it. And after that, you can see the timeline option over here. You can do is take different snaps or video snaps and wrap it together so that it can be seen in one video with his timeline. And let's turn off the timeline. You can also add your songs from over here, which Snapchat provides. You can see all these songs. And after that, you can, and this is it, guys. This is how you use effects of Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.